I'm a big Akshay Kumar fan. Last year I was in the US with Akshay Paji for about 15-20 days. 3-3 का structure in place है, but it'll take time because there is Bhedia 2, there is another vampire film they're making. So 3-3 will take time.
You're watching OTT Play. I'm Nirali in conversation with the team of Berlin, welcoming Apar Shakti Khurana, Rahul Bose and Anupriya Goenka for an exclusive chat on OTT Play. Firstly, the trailer of Berlin has come out really well. I want to know the initial response that has come to you, all of you.
सबसे अभी तक बहुत ही प्यार मिला है टचवुड एंड आई थिंक पीपल हैव लव्ड व्हाट वी हैव शोन एंड इट रियली आई थिंक जो प्रॉमिस है उस ट्रेलर का वो टू द पॉइंट है.
People are very intrigued by it.
Yeah.
It's a very different trailer and it definitely creates a lot of intrigue is what I got to know from people.
Yeah. So what was the response for you?
The trailer, a trailer's job is to intrigue you about the movie, as she said, and to say this is something that looks very, very interesting. I think it does that in spades.
Absolutely.
And yet, it should not misrepresent the film. It's not that you're thinking you're going to watch a thriller and you go there and you watch a family comedy. No.
Yeah. But also the fact that before Berlin got a OTT release, it was filmed at various film festivals.
Ji.
Last year at Jio Mami as well. I want to know what was the reception from the audience at the film festivals.
यार देखो जिस भी अभी तक हम फिल्म फेस्टिवल पे गए हैं इंडिया या इंडिया से बाहर, हर जगह बहुत प्यार, बहुत सम्मान और आई थिंक अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो आपने ट्रेलर की बात करी, आजकल तो ऑडियंस बहुत ज़्यादा टू द पॉइंट और बहुत ज़्यादा कठोर है और कमेंट सेक्शन में आपको पता लग जाता है कौन क्या कह रहा है. आई थिंक वहाँ पे भी अच्छे बातें बोली गई हैं हम सबके बारे में, फिल्म के ट्रेलर के बारे में, कलर्स के बारे में, फ्रेम्स के बारे में और यही सब बातें फिल्म फेस्टिवल पे भी बोली गई कि द वे इट हैज़ बीन शॉट, द फ्रेम्स, द कलर ग्रेडिंग, द परफॉर्मेंसेस, द राइटिंग, द डायरेक्शन, सबकी वहाँ पर हमें एक एसेंस मिल गया कि लोगों को शायद पसंद आ रहा है ये प्रोडक्ट एंड नाउ वी आर हियर टू शोकेस इट टू द एंटायर कंट्री.
Yeah. So what was the response for you at the film festival?
अलग-अलग फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में अलग-अलग रिस्पॉन्सेज हैं क्योंकि कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट, सिनेमा हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैट प्लेस, कौन देख रहा है, दीज आर वेरी 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 वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स. तो अगर आप मामी को कंपेयर करोगे लॉस एंजलिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल, so it's unfair on the audience.
It would be contrasting, of course.
लेकिन there is a commonality. A good film is a good film.
Yeah.
And even if people might like it more in India क्योंकि culturally उनको समझ में आता है कि ये दिल्ली में based है, and people may like it for different reasons in LA, a good film is a good film.
Yeah.
In terms of the narrative, in terms of the performances, in terms of a basic standard of filmmaking that you would see anywhere in the world. So Berlin ticks all those boxes.
Yeah.
But which of these audiences will be drawn to it the most is always interesting. That's why you take it everywhere.
Yeah.
But where is it going to actually catch? I made a film called Purna that adults were not going to watch, but it wasn't a children's film. What it was, in the second week we realized, is an adults taking their children out to see a movie film.
That's something interesting.
It's a father and daughter film.
Yeah.
It's a mother and children film.
Yeah.
It's both have to go and see it.
Correct.
If
How
one
well
goes,
said.
gone. If the other goes, gone.
Very
So
well said.
each film finds that. So हमारी चाह यही है कि इंडिया में which is that audience that will चुंबक जैसे they will
They'll
stick
get
to this
hooked
film.
to
Yeah. Yeah.
और मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताऊं, जैसे मुझे IB और आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड पॉलिटिक्स एज वेल एंड द ब्यूरोक्रेसी एंड IB और रॉ के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है वो थियोरेटिकली पता है,
Yeah.
बट कई फिल्म्स में ना हमारे जो स्पाई ड्रामाज होती हैं और जो फिल्म्स होती हैं उनको बहुत लूजली यूज़ किया जाता है इन
Yeah.
टर्म्स को एंड यू काइंड ऑफ गेट एलियनेटेड with what really IB and Raw is. इस फिल्म में दोनों चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे से, like we've heard about the camaraderie between the two or the struggles or the way they are together and blah 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 blah. I think that has been explored in a very interesting manner in this film.
I must admit I don't know the difference, and I didn't know the difference.
Yeah.
And because he called it wing and bureau, I created in my head कि bureau ऐसा होगा और wing के लोग ऐसे होंगे, because there requires to be a difference. And there is a
It's
some
very
kind of a,
geographical.
yeah, and there's also some kind of a professional give and take or
competition.
yes,
Between the two.
Yeah.
yeah.
Between
So
the two.
I created two imaginary outfits. मेरे रिसर्च में मैंने कभी रॉ या आईबी के बारे में मैंने रिसर्च नहीं किया. मैंने डायरेक्टर से पूछा कि आपके जहन में विंग के लोग कैसे हैं
होंगे?
और आपके जहन
It
में
was the director's
बिल्कुल,
vision that you
बिल्कुल,
surrendered to.
बिल्कुल,
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
But also talking about your respective characters, you play a sign language expert. What was the biggest challenge that you faced? Apart
यार
from this
निराली
film?
सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा जो चैलेंज था वो यही था कि एक तो साइन लैंग्वेज सीखना ही, इट्स
Yeah.
नॉट समथिंग जो हमारे कुछ टेक्स्ट बुक्स में हमें कहीं दी गई हो स्कूल में, और या फिर हम कभी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में इस चीज़ से ज़्यादा वाकिफ़ हो सकें. नंबर वन. नंबर टू, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ और जो साइन कर रहा हूँ वो काफ़ी बार उल्टे उसमें चल रहे हैं. कि अगर मुझे बोलना है कि हाय निराली कैसे हो आप, तो साइन करते ही हो सकता है निराली कैसे हो आप.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए वो कंफ्यूजन
The
थी.
rephrasing.
हाँ जी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई ऑल्सो हैड टू remember the sign language and the dialogues of what Ishfaq is saying. You
Yeah.
know? तो ये थोड़ी सी चीज़ें I think was little different and difficult I would say. But having said that, यार once you get into the groove of it, तो आपको करने का मज़ा आता है वो करने
You get
में.
used to it, like habituated.
हाँ मज़ा आता है करने
मज़ा
में वो.
आता है.
मज़ा आता है वो करने
The
में.
boy is so talented. This must be easy for him.
What was the
Anji.
biggest challenge for you, Anupriya?
Challenge.
Yeah. In terms of the playing your character in the film.
I was very intrigued by the character because she doesn't have any dialogues per se. And the challenge was finding my space maybe in the film because I'm more used to doing work wherein I'm more in the fabric of the film. Like I'm more acquainted with the environment. I've been a part of the whole journey. So I'm used to doing projects wherein I'm more there. You know, so you get acquainted with the team, the film, the content, or the series, whatever, not just films. Here, I was there sparsely and through the shoot. तो वो challenging हो जाता था to feel a part of it suddenly when you've been out of it for so long and others have been together and you find your space. But of course, co-actors like Rahul and Apar and director like Atul and Ishfaq, they all really made me feel very comfortable. We had a fabulous, fabulous team on it. And one of the greatest things about Berlin is that everybody on the project is very invested. From the ADs to the costume people to the production design to Atul, and he's really kept them together.
Yeah.
So that used to
Like a
really
close-knit
help.
family.
हाँ तो एक लगता था हम कुछ special बना रहे हैं. So that used to make that challenge easier. Apart from that, when I had heard about it, I think I got intrigued by the fact कि अरे बिना dialogues के मुझे थोड़ा उसमें चालूपंती दिखानी है. I have to show some sort of fear, and sometimes she'll be very smart because she's sort of the kind of profile she has is mysterious, and probably there'll be a plethora of emotions to go through. On the set, when we were doing the scenes, it was about a degree. I was always in fear.
Yeah.
And वो degree of fear हो गया from me thinking there will be a plethora of emotions wherein she is also intimidating or she's cunning and this and that, which had initially intrigued me. It became कि अच्छा इस scene में fear है, फिर दूसरे scene में भी fear है, फिर तीसरे scene में भी fear है.
Level up होता है.
And I'm like, sir, ये तो लेकिन यहाँ होगा ना, इसमें इतना होगा ना, and मैं इतना, I'm coming at such breaks, and मेरे पास script नहीं है. So it's very hard for me to imagine कि अच्छा उसमें isn't this that scene or is this scene? So to find that, but finally I realized I just had to trust Atul sir and his vision, and I made that my high point in the film, that I don't have to go with any expectations or any sort of burden on me. I'm just going to enjoy the process. And I had a fun time shooting with this fabulous team.
Yeah, but also when a film gets a direct to OTT release, does the pressure of how the film will perform gets less as compared to theatrical releases where box office number today is a big metric?
Of course. Come on. Of course. But do any of us worry about pressure in general when we are accepting a film, acting in it and doing the promotions? No. I hope I speak for all of us.
Yeah.
This is what we love doing most. Whether one person sees it or 100,000 people see it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Our dedication, our blood, sweat and tears will be exactly the same.
Same, yeah.
So अब बाकी जो है वो आप अगर आप नास्तिक हो तो खुदा नहीं कहोगे, अगर आप भगवान में मानते हो तो आपसे किसी और के हाथों में है. It's in the hands of the universe.
Yeah.
So all you can do is your best, and all we can do sitting here is be as authentic to you as possible.
Yeah.
True.
because there is a genuinely good feeling about the film and about each other.
Yeah.
Genuinely, nobody's faking it here.
Yeah.
You know, so that's the best we can do here.
Yeah. Apar, what do you think?
यार देखो जो सर कह रहे हैं एब्सोल्युटली उससे से रेजोनेट करता हूँ एंड ये देखे तो यार हमें काम करना है जाके एंड वी लव व्हाट वी डू एंड वो चाहे किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए हो एंड मतलब ओटीटी पे थोड़ा सा प्रेशर कम रहता है इस चीज़ का
Absolutely.
Yeah.
बिकॉज बियॉन्ड अ पॉइंट
fact.
ऑडियंस के लिए तो कोई एक यू नो उसका नापदंड करने का कोई उनके पास हथियार तो है नहीं
और जो पब्लिसिटी पे आप खर्च करते हो एज अ थिएट्रिकल रिलीज इज नो कंपैरिजन.
yeah.
of
Even in the making for that matter, more often than not, you make, you know, not as इतना ज़्यादा तामझाम वाली फिल्में
The not
OTT
as
नहीं
large
बनाते
scale
हैं
as
आप. यहाँ पर ना
that,
ज़्यादा प्योर रियल सिनेमा आता है.
Agreed. Anupriya, what would you like to add? Is there a less pressure when a film gets a OTT release as compared to theatrics, where you know box office number are a big metric today?
I think that happens more at a level where your stardom really depends upon the the numbers your film is raking in. Your choices depend upon that, because I'm sure those stars who have to break in a certain amount of money to make sure that their work is regular, and then they can have choice and they can have much more at their disposal. Of course, to them the box office numbers and the whole formula of the film and what they are choosing and how they are showing and what is the next thing on their plate, all that matters. At my level, the kind of work that I have done, I'm far removed from the numbers. I don't think like that. I go with my gut instinct, with who I want to work with, what I want to do, if the role is exciting me. I've always really kept it to that level. I do understand for the producers, that's a very, very big question and a very valid question. As an actor, I think I'm personally more interested in what the role does for me as an actor while I'm performing it. I was just thinking about what you said, what was the challenge.
Yeah.
In this one I realized, मैंने बोला script नहीं है, मैं सोच रही थी script तो थी मेरे पास. So I realized कि my scenes, because it's through a point of view of a deaf and mute, there were no dialogues and they were never written down.
Yeah.
You know, there were always just few lines written about the scene, and you could have played the scene in n number of ways on set.
Yeah.
So that's interesting, no? That I was going blind into it.
Yeah.
So I think those are the things that would excite me about my character rather than the numbers it will make.
Yeah. And apart from the fact that the films are doing extremely well at the box office, including Stree 2, there's this whole trend where, you know, old films are re-releasing in cinemas. I would want to ask all of you, which is the one film of yours that you would want to see re-released today in cinemas?
Yeah, because you're always so attached to your first film, which is Saath Uchakke. I had done that film before Dangal, and I think it is a film which tick marks all the boxes in terms of जो आज की डेट में सिनेमा लोग देख रहे हैं. At that time, it was maybe little ahead of its time. It had Manoj Bajpayee, it had Anupam Kher, it had K.K. Menon, Vijay Raz, all the you know so-called pure actors of the country. अभी हमने पिछले कुछ 5-7 सालों में स्पेशली ओटीटी के आने के बाद से उनको और भी ज़्यादा प्यार जो डिजर्व करते थे वो देना शुरू कर दिया है. आई थिंक दैट्स अ फिल्म एंड इफ आई कैन से दिस आई वुड लव टू सी Mr. and Ms. Iyer in I mean,
Even Shankar bhi.
Yeah.
It's another.
So
Chameli too.
personally, which film of yours do you want to see?
Everybody says I'm fine.
Oye.
That's a.
But are you really fine?
Huh?
But are you really fine?
Have you seen the film?
No, I haven't.
It's a beautiful film.
तभी मैंने एकदम से इस पे सवाल किया.
Because that film, I think it's still slightly ahead of its time.
Yeah.
The idea that a hairdresser can read people's minds when he cuts their hair.
But it says so
And everybody
many
says they are
things.
fine, but nobody is.
Yes.
And he helps them without them realizing that he's helping them.
It's a beautiful film.
Anupriya, which film of yours you want to
Mine?
see? Yeah.
No, I mean, मैंने अभी तक उतनी फिल्म से करी नहीं है जो मैं चाहूँ कि मैं वापस देखूँ. I think Tiger Zinda है out of all of the films that I have done so far. I think that would be one film that I'd really want to see again, probably, because you know when they were mentioning today कि poster पे देखना, big screen पे देखना. I was so much of a realistic pessimist कि मैंने कभी उस चीज़ को ऐसे नहीं देखा कि अरे मैं big screen पर आई हूँ. I always tried to tame down my emotions and keep them very low in expectations. कि अच्छा हाँ हो गया, nice. I never really felt the joy. There's one film that I did which hasn't released yet. That's called Maya with Nagesh Kukunur, which I did a long time ago,
Yeah.
and it's perfect for the OTT space. I don't know why that hasn't released. I would love to see that because
Fingers
I've
crossed
grown
it
a
should
lot.
then.
I've grown a lot as an actor.
Yeah.
I've changed as a person,
Yeah.
and that character has a lot of drama about being an actor and stuff like that. So I would love to see that on
Yeah.
screen.
Awesome.
But this conversation would be incomplete apart if I don't ask you about the humongous success of Stree 2.
Touch wood, yaar.
Did you expect that it would do the numbers that it has done at the box office today?
Me or anybody else who's attached to the film, if they say we expected these humongous numbers, I mean, we'll be lying, of course. You know, we at the max. See, we knew that we were making something
Yeah.
very nice and happy and special. मजा आ रहा था सेट पे और लग रहा था कि this will work.
Yeah.
But ये नंबर तो यार कुछ
600 crores.
I mean,
Good Lord.
some divine intervention has to happen for any film to reach here.
Yeah.
आप इस चीज़ को प्लान नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
आप जो मर्जी कर लें. It's like शाहरुख सर और अमिताभ बच्चन's career. You can't plan it कि ये you know इतने सालों तक एक्टिंग करते ही रहेंगे और चलता ही रहेगा मामला. So yeah, I mean it's not something you can plan, and touchwood, all of us have a lot of gratitude, you know, to the energies to make it happen. जो हमने you know whatever little efforts we had put in during you know the prep or the shoot, I think it's all worth it, and more than worth it rather.
Yeah. Especially the cameos and the post-credit scenes. That
Yeah.
is something people have also enjoyed the most.
Absolutely, yeah. I'm a
is
big
it-
Akshay Kumar fan. Last year I was in the US with Akshay Paji for about 15-20 days. We were doing a show, a tour called the Entertainers Tour. So I think the kind of energy and sense of humor he has, very difficult to find somebody who has so much of energy and so much of. And आज की डेट में भी यार he's so fit. He used to come running to the set.
Oh,
भागते भागते थे. So yeah.
that's
एंड
great.
तमन्ना का जो गाना है वो मैं क्या दुनिया बोल चुकी है. कमेंट सेक्शन पढ़िए तमन्ना के गाने के लिए.
But is there a possibility of Stree 3 happening?
There is a possibility. They've already kind of during the
yeah.
trailer launch they had said it that that Stree 3 का structure in place है. But it'll take time because there is Bhediya 2, there is another vampire film they're making. So Stree 3 will take time, maybe at least 2 years.
Yeah. But for now, Berlin is releasing on 13th September. And I
Absolutely.
wish you all the luck